Thomas the tank engine was grumbling to the other engines. I've spent my time pulling coaches about, ready for you to take out on journeys. Why can't I pull passenger trains too? You're too impatient, Thomas. You'll be sure to leave something behind. Rubbish, I'll show you. One night Henry was ill. The man worked hard, but he didn't get better. He felt just as bad next morning. Henry usually pulls the first train, and Thomas had to get his coaches ready. If Henry is ill, perhaps I shall pull his train. Thomas ran to find the coaches. Come along, come along. Oh, what's the rush? There's plenty of time. Thomas waited and waited, but still Henry didn't come. You'll have to find another engine. Well, there's only Thomas. You'll have to do it then, Thomas. Be quick now. Don't be impatient, Thomas. Wait till everything is ready. But Thomas was too excited to listen. Thomas, stop! Come back! They're waving because I'm such a splendid engine. Henry said it's hard to pull trains, but I think it's easy. Hey, where do you think you're going? You're supposed to be in the yard. Can't you see I'm pulling coaches? Right. Huh? Wait, Thomas, stop! People had never seen me pulling a train before. It's nice of them to wave. Then he came to a signal at danger. Bother, I must stop, and I was going so nicely too. What a nuisance signals are. Hello, Thomas. What are you doing here? I'm pulling a train. Can't you see? Oh. Where are your coaches then? Why, bless me, if we haven't left them behind. Yes. You better go back and fetch them. Cheer up. Let's go back quickly and try again. At the station, all the passengers are talking at once. They were telling the fat controller what a bad railway it is. But when Thomas came back, they saw how sad he was, and couldn't be cross. He was coupled to the train, and this time he really pulled it. But for a long time afterwards, the other engines laughed at Thomas. Look, there's Thomas, who wanted to pull a train but forget about the coaches. Ha 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 ha.